Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to use Siri on your Sony headphones WH-1000XM4. Let's get started. So, as a first step, take your phone and make sure that your headphones are connected to your phone via Bluetooth. As you can see, my headphones are listed as connected. As a next step, we would need to go back to the settings and find a tab which is named Siri and Search. Then click on it, and here we would need to enable this function which is named Allow Siri when logged. Click on the slider to enable this function, and if you have password on your phone, you would need to enter it to confirm. And now when this function is enabled, we can start using the Siri. To call for Siri, we would need to hold our finger on this right sensor until you will hear a chime. And after this, Siri will activate. Also keep in mind that if your sensors are set up for other voice assistants as Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, the Siri won't work. And also the command Hey Siri won't work on your headphones even if the Siri is enabled on your phone. And now let's test it. I will wear my headphones because it doesn't work the other way and show you how it looks. So, I am wearing my headphones right now, and I will put my finger on the right sensor and hold it for a few seconds. And now you can see the Siri appear on the screen. What is the weather today? As you can see, the Siri gave me the weather forecast, and I can also hear the information in my headphones right now. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.